Thanks for watching Tech Nurse. Today, I am going to show you how to maximize your screen or browser. If you open your browser and it doesn't fill the whole window, don't worry, I will show you how to fix it. There is a button in the upper right-hand corner that is just to the right of the minimize button that looks like a square. You will click that button and it will maximize your screen to fill the window. Let me go ahead and do it to show you what happens when you click it. Your browser is now full screen. That is it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.